that, Maya?
It's a kitty.
That's all right.
You should give her a big one. One of the big boxes in there.
Okay,
You knew I was taking your picture, Scott, and you stopped smiling, you son of a gun. Smile!
Hi.
Yes, you did it.
You can't make them smile. He's either happy or he's not.
Here.
Go.
He had a nice smile, and you knew I was smiling. You stopped.
Give her a big one. Because the big ones aren't really that cute. You'd open that one?
Okay, I was just working from the top down.
I'm not gonna take your
Merry
picture,
Christmas,
so
Scott.
don't worry about it.
Merry Christmas.
What have you got there, Maya?
Wow, there's lots of pretty flowers. Go open it later, okay? Let Daddy give you another gift.
No, don't do that.
What?
It's heavy, Maya.
I saw a cobweb, so I
What you
stopped
got there?
to get it. And I set my cereal down and Sunshine started eating it.
On the counter?
You want me to open it for you? Open it together. What have you got?
Kitty.
More kitties.
Anyways, I banged out some pictures. I can show you them later.